Are you tired of your 9 to 5, your colleagues? Like, I know working in the corporate section is not easy, and sometimes it might be raining. You don't feel like going to work. Sometimes you just feel like sleeping and traveling, but you can't. Worry not. I'm here for you, and I can teach you how to make soaps at home, market your brand, sell, and become your own boss, and even make millions. For example, if your soap business thrives and if you know how to market to customers. Yeah, my good name is Eve Ishauna. Please like this video, comment and subscribe if you like this kind of videos, so that YouTube can push these videos to someone who wants such kind of a video. Yeah, so 6 years ago, when I got my second born baby, I wanted to do something that I can be able to take care of my children and still make money on the side. And as most moms who are housewives, I didn't have money for startup, and the money my husband was getting was not enough to give me like to start a business. So I did a lot of research, and boom, I found that I had a passion in beauty. Actually, if you can see my skin, you can see that it is very clear. I have not applied any makeup or any filter. Yeah, my skin is just clear like this. I have just washed it with my organic soap and applied something little. So as you can see, I love doing skincare. I love taking care of myself and also doing anti-aging stuff, you know, yeah. So I decided that I can turn my passion into money. So that's how I looked up, and I found that many people are struggling with acne, pimples, black spots. They even go to dermatologists, and they use a lot of money, and yet I could use natural products at home and make soap, and then their skin can become better. So first of all, I used to love to apply masks on my skin. For example, I would blend potatoes, I apply on my skin, then it glows, and people will be like, Eve, what do you use for your skin? I would want it because I've tried everything and my pimples are not like going away, such kind of stuff. So I decided that I can help people, and in the process I also make money. So I looked up online and I found a course on how to make soap. And funny enough, for example, the organic soap, you don't need a lot of money to buy like the stock or materials needed, and you can also start small. You can do it large scale if you have the money, but if you don't have the money, you can start even at your own kitchen. So after I saved up some money, but I couldn't save, so also my friend Grace, she also supported me with some money, and I was able also to pay for the business, for the, what is it called, for the course. I'm sorry. Yeah, so after I studied for the soap making course, then I was able to start my own business at home. It didn't take me a while because I started also researching like the types of natural products that can be used to like clear pimples, black spot, make your skin glow, also types of skin types, etc. here and there. And I came up with many products that I can make. Like for example, the type of soap that I make at home, or okay, right now I'm making it at home, but I have a shop. Yeah, so the type of soaps that we make, for example, we have potato and rice soap. Potato and rice soap is a soap that we blend rice, we blend potatoes, then the mixture, I use it to formulate soap. I also have fruit soap. Fruit soap I use pineapple, papaya, carrot, and turmeric. I blend the mixture, and the mixture I use it to formulate soap. I have honey soap, I can make tamarind soap, any type of soap that you literally want. Even watermelon soap, I can make it. Yeah, so if you want to know how to make such kind of soaps that are natural, organic, people these days, they don't want a lot of chemicals. I know there are those who love bleaching products, but the types of soap that I make, they don't bleach, they are natural. They just help your skin glow, remove pimples, black spots, and acne. So if you're interested to learn how to make soap, because I will be teaching organic soap and laundry bar soap. Both of them I will teach at $150 only. And now that I am launching this course, I'm going to be giving this course at $100 only. $100 only. And you'll learn how to make laundry bar soap, the one that is used to wash utensils, wash clothes. For example, if you're in Africa, many people use laundry bar soap to even bathe. I'll teach you that. I'll also teach you how to make organic soaps like these ones for face. Okay. And another thing that I'll teach you is how to formulate soap, how to sell and market your brand, how to brand yourself, and also we'll learn more about skincare types of acne, and many other things that you don't want to miss out on. So if you want to learn how to make this soap and become your own boss, actually let me tell you something. Some of the millionaires, they're in beauty industry. You can check out like Rihanna. She's a musician, but she became a billionaire by making and selling beauty products. And we're not here to extort people who have acne, pimples, and black spots. No. All I'm just saying is that if you want a business that is viable, that can work, you can try making soaps, because soaps are not perishable. It's not like you're going to put it in the shelf and then it's going to go bad like vegetables. No, it can stay even up to 6 months or even up to 1 year. So that is a business that you can do it. You can also make it at home. If you don't have a shop, you can start making it in your kitchen. Yeah, so we all know that if you want to become a millionaire, you have to find a problem and create a solution. And here, many people are struggling with acne, and there are many products out there that have chemicals. Some are bleaching. I don't have a problem with those who are bleaching. Yeah, so don't come for me. Okay, but those who love natural products, yeah, so you can make money out of that and also help people. Okay guys, yeah, so if you want more information, my number is on the screen or is in the description box, and also more about the course is in the description box. Please hurry, because I'm not going to be teaching for that $100 for a long time. The course is supposed to be at $150, but because I'm launching this course, I'm going to be teaching at $100. Please WhatsApp me, even if you're not going to pay now, or even if you just want to know more details about this soap making. Yeah, please contact me, and I will so much appreciate it. So bye guys for this for now, and I'll see you on the next one.